Hello friends, welcome to the New Tech Navigators. My name is PK. In this video you will learn how to create a dynamic map in Google Sheets. As you are seeing my screen, we have created this map wherein we are showing the sales by the locations, and we have given here one slicers also to show the sales rep name, and you can just change the name from here. Let's say I want to show the sales for Jack only. It will take the relevant locations in the map, dynamically it will change. Or let's say for PK, then you can see it is showing the sales for PK only. We have put the conditional formatting also here, so wherever the sale is minimum it will be red and the highest sale will be in green, and gradually the color is getting changed. You can see at bottom that legend also. You can select two sales representative also together to show you the sales for all, or you can select all also. Okay, this is the field map, and we have created the map with markers also like this. Here we can see some bubbles on the map with the colors and with the size. So size is bigger will be in green and size is smaller will be in red, and this is according to the sales. You can change here also the slicer value. Accordingly it will show the bubbles in the particular location, and let's say I'm selecting this one, so it is getting changed. You can select all also. Okay, so this is working. Now I will show you how we have created this. So we have used this data which is available here. So what I'm going to do, let me copy this data from here, and I'll go to the new spreadsheet and let me paste this data here. Okay, let's go to the view. So uncheck the grid lines from here. Now first we will insert a slicer. So select this range, go to the data and just add a slicer. So the slicer is added. You can see the range also. Now you can choose the column for which I want to create. For the first column, sales representative name, and here you can see the slicer. If I make it clear and let's say I'm selecting here Raj, then it will show the filtered data only for Raj, and accordingly that map chart will be changed. So let me make it clear and let's move this to the top side. Here just clear this slicer for now, or select all and just click on OK, and you can change the background color of the slicer as you want. Go to the customize, and from here you can change the background color. Let's say I'm taking this dark color, and you can change the font color also as you want, or the font size also. Okay, but I'm keeping it as it is. Now we will insert the map chart. So we will select the location and the sales together. This one, go to the insert and insert a chart. This is the default chart available here. Now we will go to the chart type, and here we will select this one which is the geo chart. Okay, now we will make some changes here. Here you can see in the region automatically it is taking location, and this is for the sales. We have taken here different states of America, so we will select the region as United States. So let's go to the customize and go to the geo. Here the word is selected, so just select here United States, or you can select some other region like Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America as you want. So let's say I'm selecting United States, so automatically it will create the chart for United States. Because we have taken the different states from USA, so automatically it is showing the colors. It has taken lowest color as red, highest color as green automatically. Let's move to the top side first, this chart, and let me keep this chart here, and we can make it bigger as we want. Now if you want to remove this outline, you can simply double click here, go to the customize and chart style. Let's take the chart border color as none. Okay, now if I change the sales rep name, let's say Jack, it is showing the data only for Jack. And if I take PK also, then it is showing for 2, or if I select all, then this is for all. Okay, now let me show you how you can change these colors as you want. Just go to the customize here and go to the geo. The minimum color is the red, so let's say I'm taking minimum color as this light blue. The maximum I'm taking, for example, this dark blue, and the mid color You can take any other color, but I'm keeping this one, or you can take this yellow also. So here you can see the color are changed as per our requirement. Okay, so you can decide which color theme you want to use, and accordingly it will take those colors only. Now I will show you how you can create the markers here. Okay, so to create the marker, what we can do, let me make the copy of this and I'll quickly show you. Let's copy this chart, or you can copy this chart from here also and paste this chart here. You can simply change this chart with the markers, or you can create from this starting also. Let's select these two columns and insert a new chart and just change the chart type. The second one we will take geo chart with marker. So it is showing the different markers because this is the word chart. So what we can do, we can just customize this and we can select here United States. So this is for the United States. We can see some animation also for the bubbles, and it is showing the bubbles slowly. Okay, so it is created all. Now we can move this to the top side and we can remove the border also from here. Just say none. Now let's move this top side. We can keep this chart here, and like the previous chart, it will also work with the slicer. So you can just select, let's say only PK, then it will show the bubbles for PK, or Raj, that only for Raj, or William, then we can see that. Okay, like the field map, you can change the color for this one also. If you want, you can just double click here on the chart, go to the customize geo. For minimum, you can choose which color you want to take. Let's say I'm saying I want to take this yellow color for the minimum, and for the maximum I want to take this teal color. Okay, and for the midpoint I want to show this blue color. So you can decide which color theme you want to use, so accordingly it will show those colors only. All right, so that is how we can create the map chart in Google Sheet. You can use this chart for your report or dashboard purpose. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for the watching.